Hello, welcome back everyone. It's your girl Cassandra, Olivia, and if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Today's video is sponsored by a company called Dola Hair, and I'm going to be dropping all the information down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out, as well as the discount code Cassandra for 12% off your order. So right here we have the packaging, which I thought was super cute. It's giving me like 90s vibes with this pink zebra print. And also they have the hair. They have some little goodies inside the packaging, like this little comb that turns into a mirror situation. The hair is also wrapped very nicely. The shipping was super fast. I do have to mention that because I will forget. And this is a headband wig that I'm going to be trying on for you guys today. So then they also have this little hair package, and just the standard things that come in pretty much every hair kit, along with some really cute, thick, stretchy headbands. I love these style headbands because they cover the whole entire elastic band from the front to the back of the hair. So that way you'll have that seamless blend every single time. So they have the info card. They did give me a wig cap, and they also gave me this really dope three-sided brush slash comb slash rat tail, which I thought was pretty cute and different because I haven't seen one of these before. So we're getting into the wig now. So this is the wig straight out of the packaging. It is curly. They did send me their curly texture headband wig. I will drop the specs down below again. And it's their natural hair color, which I love. You guys know I love to play with color, but my go-to are natural hair color units. So you have the strap in the back that has a Velcro strap you can adjust, as well as the combs in the top. You have one of the sensor, two on the left and the right, and then also an additional comb in the back. So that way you have extra security. Now, typically I only use the comb in the back. I don't even use the front combs, but you can finesse this however you want. And it also does have an adjustable band in the very back as well. And then last but not least, they sent me some lashes, and I thought that this was super cute that they had Hello Gorgeous on the inside of the packaging. So right here, I'm just gonna try this unit on. Just giving my first initial look and reviews without me styling it. And then I am going to beat my face and then put on just a little bit of water just to get the natural curl of the hair. But I just want to show you guys how I would pop this on. If you pop this on straight out of the packaging, this is how it would look. And then you would just have to put the headband over top to cover up this black elastic band. And I am putting the comb in the back. Like I said, I like to slide that just in the back of my head just to make sure that the unit is secure. So that way, if I do want to pull this up in a cute style, the tracks and the band are not showing. So I'm just adjusting that, and then I want to go ahead and throw on some of these headbands. Okay, so now that the unit is secured to my liking, I'm just going to play around and throw on some headbands with this unit. And like I said, I am going to do my makeup just to give you guys the gist of how this looks when you put everything all together. But if you do decide to wear this directly out of the packaging without putting any product in it or doing anything to it manipulative wise, then this is how it would look, which still isn't terrible. But since it's been in the bag, you just want to add a little bit of something to it so that way it's just not like stuck in its form. So I'm putting this up into a ponytail, and then I'm going to start to do my makeup, and then I will be back in just a second. Again, check out the information down below. They did send me a coupon code for 12% off. The coupon code is my name, Cassandra, and I also linked their Instagram page down below as well. But yeah, I'm just pulling this up, and you just want to make sure that if you're not using the combs in the front, that you just have something that's keeping this unit secured. So the headband is actually, it's not tight, but it's actually keeping this wig in place, which I actually like, and it doesn't feel heavy on my head, which is awesome because sometimes headband wigs can feel really heavy when you pull them up. This one did not. So I'm gonna put my makeup on, and this is how she looks once I add just a little bit of water to it. I did not put any product in this. I legit just used a spray bottle with some water and kept it moving. And this is how the curls look naturally with no additional product. So now I'm just gonna play around, shake my head. This is secured only with the one band in the back and the freaking comb in the back, like no comb in the front. And now I'm just gonna put on some of these cute little headbands. But honestly, you could wear this with the black headband that comes as is. Some people probably wouldn't even realize that it's a headband wig, but I'm just gonna throw this on top just to give you guys a look. And I really thought this headband was super, super cute and stylish, and it just went with my lipstick. So I was like, let's do it. So I'm just going to show you guys a couple different ways I'm going to style this wig. I am loving the density of this wig. It's 150% density. This was a look right here. Like, this was giving me 90s baby vibes. Y'all know I love 90s babies looks. Like, so yeah, I'm just playing around with this, and I'm just going to finish styling this. Thank you guys so much for watching and for bearing with me. I know I haven't posted in a while, but your girl has just been super busy and I'm getting ready to go on vacay. So shout out to Dola Hair. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Let me know if you guys like headband wigs or if you tried them. They are the latest trend. So yeah, I'm feeling it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and everybody have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
That's what's up, boy.